Tally charts are a nice easy way of collecting data, and you've probably been using them since primary school, but there's still some silly mistakes we can make in our GCSEs that can cost us extra marks. So looking at this tally chart, this looks good, yeah? You've got your colours and you've got your tally. But something really important that's missing and that would cost you a mark is your frequency column. And frequency is just a posh word for total. So after you've done your tally, you then put in the number it represents. So 10, 3, 2, etc. So we can see this tally chart is much better. We've still got our type, we've got our tally, and now we've got our frequency. Just remember that when we're doing tallies, we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the reason we do this is because it's much easier to count these up in fives than it is to count in ones and forget where we've got to. Sometimes you will be asked to design a data collection sheet. So for example, the question might sound something like this. Paul wants to find out about popular hobbies in Year 7. Design a data collection sheet for him to use. The most common mistake we see is someone will write out the questionnaire question. So someone will put as their answer, what is your favourite hobby? And then they'll list some choices and they'll be really proud of themselves because they'll include other. That isn't what this is about. This question is asking you to design a data collection sheet. So it's basically asking you to create a tally chart. You must have 3 columns. You must have your frequency, you must have your tally, and you must have, in this example, hobbies, or whatever it is it's asking you to find out about. As well as picking 4 or 5 to list, so you might have swimming, you might have cubs, you also need to make sure that you put other, and that will get you full marks for this question. So just to recap, if it says design a data collection sheet, you are not writing the question. You are designing a tally chart and making sure you include that frequency column.